I'm going to show you how you can make your adjustable elastic band in the comfort of your home using your sewing machine. So first things first, you need to invest in getting these clips here. I got them from my local market in Lagos, Nigeria, Balogun Market, but you can check on Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress for where you can get it. And I also get this elastic band. This is the elastic band that we typically use for making our wigs. I measure about 13-inch of the elastic band, and after I'm sure that is 13-inch that I cut out 7-inch from that 13-inch. The 7-inch is going to be for the longer flap, and the remaining 6-inch is going to be for the shorter flap. Or you can even make it to be about, let's say, 8-inch to 6-inch, but I chose to do 7 and 6. This is what we are trying to achieve here. This is a ready-made adjustable band that I already did. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this clip here. With this clip right here, I'm only just putting in the one part of the elastic band and folding it in. Then I'll use my sewing machine to sew it down. Let's say you don't have a sewing machine, just use your needle and thread and sew it down securely. If you'd like to see a tutorial of me using my needle and thread to make these adjustable elastic bands, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to film a tutorial on how you can use your needle and thread to make adjustable elastic band. So after sewing down that side, I cut it off with my scissors and cut out the excess thread on the other side, but I decided to just sew it down a little bit more to ensure that the sewing is very secure. So I just run through the elastic band again with my needle and thread. Yes, then I cut it out. Then I know that this part right here is ready. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to figure out how to sew down, how to fix this other part. So this one right here is the one that really makes it adjustable. So I put in one part of the elastic band, then I put it through that, well, I call it, like, I don't know what to call this thing, but it's like a machinery that allows you to slide the elastic band through it and also go in twice. This is what actually makes the adjustable elastic band adjustable, because it's this thing that allows for the movements. So what I'm going to do is, after I put it through once, I now go over to put it in through it again. So it's more like you're doubling the passing of the elastic band through that hook. It's a bit difficult to fix it in, but I'm just going to keep on trying until I'm able to put the second side in there and pull it through on the other side. And I've been able to do that right about now. But if you notice that it's not really helping, try and take more of the elastic band out on the other side so you have more space, so that by the time you've been able to pull out something on the other side, it's not like you're now left in nothing on the other side. So try as much as possible to ensure that you have room, and then when you're trying to pass it through, ensure you have a little bit of the elastic band dripping downwards on the middle part, like what I'm doing right now. You notice that the elastic band is a bit dripping downwards, so by the time I pull it up, the band now comes out on the other side and we have secured it. So what I'm going to do now, you see that part that came out on top, we are trying to now sew it down to the other side. You see that up part now that we looped through, we want to sew these small parts here to these other parts that I'm holding. This is the area we're going to sew down. So try and pull out space between what's left on the first main side, so that you have room to sew down those two parts that I'm holding. So I'm going to use my sewing machine to just sew down those two parts after taking out that excess thread on the elastic band that was pulling off. You can use your fire candle to burn out the edges so that you don't have those threads that are looping out. I'm going to sew down those two parts together so that they are secure, and then I'll show you what it's like after I've sewed them down. If you're watching this video so far and you're getting value out of it, please make sure you share this video with somebody else who's also going to get value out of it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, please click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I sincerely appreciate your support here on YouTube. And please, if you want to order wigs, I sell hair extensions, I sell wigs, please reach out to me on Instagram. My business page is ENL Beauty Hair. on Instagram, and you can also shop my ebooks on my website. How to start your hair business ebooks, hair extensions, and how to test its quality. If you're somebody who likes to read physical copies, you can purchase the paperback copy of How to Start Your Hair Business book on Amazon. I sincerely appreciate you for the support, and please share this video with somebody if you can purchase an ebook. Thank you. I'm going to sew down those two sides together now using that sewing machine, and after I've sewed it down securely, I'm going to show you what I have. Yeah, yes. So what I'm going to do next is just take out the elastic band, cut out those excess threads, and I'll show you the result of all that we have done. Yes, so this right here now, you can see this is what makes the elastic band adjustable. The moment you now put that hook on the other side through this right here, this is what holds the elastic band together. Then the two sides here is what you sew down on your wig. This is a very simple process. You no longer have to spend $1 buying 1,000 naira to buy a elastic band. You can just, all you need to do is just invest in getting these hooks and the elastic band. I think I bought a dozen of these hooks for 800 naira, which is very, very affordable, unlike having to purchase it on Alibaba. Thanks so much for watching, and follow me for more tips.